Alright, so today what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the intake manifold out. I talked to XMP and he'll either come over here or I could get the trailer and send it to him to do the brake lines again. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the intake manifold out and basically measure everything out. As you can see, that the brake line is barely touching the intake manifold, so it's going to interfere with the velocity stack. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install the itbs without the velocity stack that is closest to the brake line. See how much room I'm going to need, if I could just probably bend it and get away with it, or I'm going to have to do a whole new thing. Alright, so it's finally out. Took me a while, and here it is. I'll step outside to give a better look and better lighting. Unfortunately, this is the only light I could provide because this light is out. And me being lazy, I haven't bought one. But go outside real quick and pull the car out. Unfortunately, I can't turn it on. But the good news is just a little bend on the brake line and it fits. But I'm still gonna do a different brake line because that's just me. But anyway, I'm glad that it fits. I'm gonna step outside. Hopefully it has a little bit better light and get back on it. Alright, so we have better light. It's kind of cloudy, but as you can see here, it looks so much better. I'm trying to fix all of this, arrange all of this, so hopefully I could do it real quick. But yeah, I really love it. Now, only thing that I'm gonna have to look up is which throttle cable I need for it. I messaged a few people about it, but they haven't answered yet. So hopefully they'll answer and give me the right throttle body for it. But yeah, I'm completely happy with it. Oh man. Wow. So ecstatic. Alright, so that's gonna conclude my my small video. Hope you liked it. Just make sure you like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Alright?